Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain some changes in Windows 11 and some features maybe which are like kinda new in Windows 11. So Windows 11 is basically updated Windows 10 with like fresh new look and some features. So as you can see, first there are new wallpapers and all the options are like revamped, like taskbar is like centerized now, and there are new things and new icons in start taskbar, and the start menu is in center too, and it is quite different from the earlier. You can now pin apps in like this option, and you get the recommended settings here, and you get the turn off another option below here. And from here you can access the all apps installed in your computer, and everything is like changed now, and there are new icons here in this PC, and these like status bar options are also kinda changed. And let me show you the settings. So when you click on here, you will get the settings and the quick menu here. In quick menu you can like also customize things which will appear first, the Bluetooth option or the Wi-Fi option, etc. You can also get the night light option. You can increase the volume from here, and you like basically get notification and your date from here, and you can like get new search option, and also your new widget menu here. In widget menu you get the Microsoft News, where it will show you news, and you can like add or remove widget. You get the Outlook calendar, esports widget, entertainment, and many other widget. You can like customize all these options. You can also personalize your feed from here, and a time will be shown here too. So these are some basic changes of Windows 11. Also like the settings is completely changed in new way. All things are now showing in this layout, and you can like choose your theme and stuff and many other things from here. If I try to explain all this, it will like take very long. So these are some basic changes, and you get new Microsoft Store in your computer. So as you can see, this is the new Microsoft Store, which is like very snappier and like smooth. The best thing about Windows 11 is another new feature is like when you move your mouse to programs, this here like the minimize option, you will get to choose the window option, like where you wanna place the window. So if I click on here, this one, it will make my Microsoft Store to left, and I can choose any other tab, open any other tab, and like I can also make that place that here, and I can open Microsoft Store. So, and this thing works perfectly with like Windows default apps I mean. So in Windows default apps you can like connect this, so you can see where wherever I am like placing the clicking, the window is going there. So this is another major change in Windows 11, and it is very great. And another thing, best feature in Windows 11 that is upcoming, which is you can use Windows Android apps on Windows by default with Amazon App Store. This is a like upcoming update, so then you can use any Android apps on your computer as well. So that are some basic feature introduction, and like how Windows 11 is changed from Windows 10. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.